Bye. So today we're unboxing the iPad 8 Gen. It's 128 GB and I think we're gonna get a space gray color. What do you think? Space gray color? Yes. Now I have my unboxing knife. Careful, adults only. Let's unbox. Lampas. Let's do this one. Oh, that nice vacuum seal feeling. Isn't it great having this new box? What do you think, Luki? How do you like the packaging so far? Good. I know, right? Let's see now. Okay, here's the moment. Okay, so on top of the box, we have our iPad. Okay, we'll put that to the side for later. And we have a couple of documentations. The usual stuff that no one reads. But there's sticker. Oh, you like sticker? Where will we put it? On your crib?
An apple.
What kind of sticker is this? Apple. Oh, yeah, apple. Oh, and then what else do we have here? Just documentation. No one reads this. Do you think people read this? No? Yes? No? Okay. We just throw that down. Oh, wow! Look at this. This is something different. This is a USB-C to lightning cable. And look at the plug. It's USB-C also. They included a charger. It's unbelievable. Right?
The new ones you don't have, huh?
Let's see. USB-C. Oh. Click. Oh, nice. Let's see what other goodies we have down here. Okay?
Nothing.
Nothing anymore. All done. Okay, now let's remove the plastic. Oh, you listen to the plastic getting torn off. Okay? Oh, that nice new iPad feeling. Oh. And see, they have the connector for the Magic Keyboard. iPad keyboard. Yeah, it's for Anya. But Daddy play with it first. Oh, space gray. Ooh. That was close. Okay. How about we turn it on just a little before we end this unboxing video? What do you think?
An apple.
Apple again. You tell the camera what kind of thing this is. You tell the camera.
Apple.
What does it say now? Apple? No. It says hello. Hello. Bonjour.
Daddy said you're so
This
lazy.
is so great. Okay. Japanese. So anyway, this ends our unboxing video. Who's this guy? Who's this guy?
English.
Who's this guy? Yeah, we're not yet ready. We're not yet ready to do the
Let's see.
what do you call it? The first impressions video. This is just the unboxing, right? Right? We do the first impression later. Oh, so makulit. Now this is Luki and Daddy saying goodbye. Stop.
Don't
We
do
have to
that.
say goodbye. This is Luki and Daddy saying goodbye for the iPad video. Okay. And then we do like this. Peace.
He wants the
Like
apple na.
MKBHD,
He's getting the apple.
peace. Okay.
Bye.
Daddy